Question. Compute 7 plus 69 plus 671 plus 6,670. 3 plus 66,675 modulo 6. We use a useful property. When adding numbers, we can reduce each number modulo 6 first. In other words, the remainder of a sum equals the sum of remainders. First term, 7. Dividing 7 by 6 leaves remainder 1. So 7 is congruent to 1 modulo 6. Second term, 69. 6 times 11 is 66. Remainder 3. So 69 is congruent to 3 modulo 6. Third term, 671. 6 times 111 is 666. Remainder 5. So 671 is congruent to 5 modulo 6. Fourth term, 6,673. Dividing by 6 gives remainder 1. So it is congruent to 1 modulo 6. Fifth term, 66,675. Dividing by 6 gives remainder 3. So it is congruent to 3 modulo 6. Now we add the remainders. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 3 equals 13. Finally, 13 divided by 6 leaves remainder 1. So 13 is congruent to 1 modulo 6. Therefore the whole expression is congruent to 1 modulo 6. The answer is 1.